To access Haynes Repair and Service Times, simply head to your job sheet, invoice or estimate and navigate to the Items tab. Then select Add Item and Add Repair Times. You'll see a list of subjects that you can browse manually, or you can conveniently select a subject at the top and search for a specific repair. Here you'll see a list of jobs that match your criteria. You'll also see labour times, prices, and whether or not parts will be required. You can then build up the jobs required by pressing Add on the right hand side. Below you'll have the option to change estimated hours and labour, and when you're done, simply Add Work Items. You'll then choose how you want the parts to be added. You can do them manually, or using the GSF Car Parts integration, you can automatically identify the parts and quickly place an order for them. Alternatively, you can just add the labour items. To access service times, again, head to Add Item and Add Service. You'll have a list of available schedules for this vehicle. Simply select the one you need. You'll see optional tasks at the top, which can be toggled, parts required on the right, and then a full breakdown which you can scroll. Hit continue. Again, you'll have the option to create the parts manually, or you can use the GSF integration to generate the parts list for you and conveniently add to your basket, ready to place an order. This will pull across all the associated parts to your job sheet. Finally, you have the option to create the service checklist to be completed within VGM or the associated technician app. To finish, just press Add Work Items.